Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have for you today. Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Monday, 9th of January 2023. Our topic says, Everyone needs good friends. And our text is taken from Ecclesiastes 4, verse 9 to 10. Our memory verse is Proverbs chapter 18, verse 24. Proverbs chapter 18, verse 24. And it reads, A man that hath friends must show himself friendly, and there is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. Now to the message. Love is a two-way street. Proverbs 8, verse 17 tells us, You show someone love, and typically they will show you love in return. If you want to make friends with people, show yourself friendly to them first. Proverbs 18:24. If you want them to favor them first. I have seen people arrive at my house frowning, but depart with beaming smiles after experiencing my wife's hospitality. Indeed, some people don't have friends because they don't show themselves friendly. Several years ago, one of my daughters came to me and said, Daddy, I am this old and nobody has approached me to say, Thus saith the Lord. I said, with the way you glare at everyone as if you are spoiling for a fight, who is going to approach you and say, Thus saith the Lord, even if God is actually speaking? You never smile. You are always looking as if somebody offended you. And so, if a brother should even be coming your way, one look at your face is enough to make him change his mind. Thank God she took the feedback graciously and made the necessary changes. It wasn't long after that she got married. Love should be reciprocal. Whether you believe it or not, everyone needs good friends. Our Bible reading for today says, For the one who has no friend, when he falls, there will be no one to lift him. Take note that the word when was used, not if. Everyone will have times when they need someone to lift them. God forbid that there is no one to lift you when that time comes. Proverbs 18, verse 24 says that there are some friends that stick closer than a brother. You need friends, so show yourself friendly to those around you. You must, however, choose your friends carefully because as iron sharpens iron in Proverbs 27, verse 17, so does evil communication, bad company corrupt good manners, as seen in 1 Corinthians 15, verse 33. Everyone needs good friends, and the greatest friend of all is our Lord Jesus Christ. Surrender your life to Him today if you haven't, so you can also become His friend. John 15, verse 15. And our reflection for today says, Are you friendly to your neighbors and colleagues? The Open Heavens Daily Devotional is written by Pastor E.A. Adeboye, who is the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, and was presented to you by Lauro Favor. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with us to the very end of today's video. We're glad you were here with us. Please keep a date with us by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. And do not forget to follow us also on TikTok at Lauru_Favor, one. And don't forget to like our videos across the social media platforms, and of course share it on your social media platforms so your friends and family could be part of this amazing family with you as well. So we'll come your way again with another amazing video. This is still Famous Blog.